Quite understandably, the ruling is music to ears of the victors. The APC caretaker chairman, Tony Okocha, and his team are in a celebratory mood as they describe the ruling as the dawn of a new River State.
Suggests that the assembly, led by Martin Samefu and his colleagues, are still potent. They are members of the assembly, and it is within their rights as legislators to make the laws, good laws indeed, for the people of River State.
A Port Harcourt-based legal practitioner believes that the appeal court ruling not only affirms the speakership of Martin Amewule, but nullifies everything done by Victor Okojombo.
The implication of which is straight and clear. All the actions that allow me to introduce this were purportedly taken by Victor Okojombo. They go to naught.
Associate Professor of Law at the River State University, however, argues that the ruling doesn't actually affirm Amewule's position and that it merely quashes the jurisdiction of the High Court in hearing the matter.
If the court, as it did, said that that is a question that can only be declared or determined by the Federal High Court, and so that Justice Wale lacked jurisdiction to entertain that matter and make the orders he made, that the court could not also have said the one you are talking about. So if you had anything like that, that was said obita, that was said by the way.
Mr. Wokocha further explains that the main issue of the defection of the lawmakers is still the subject of litigation and is still unresolved.
Where we are is where we were before Justice Wale made his pronouncement. And what was that? That those seats had been declared vacant. And anybody who thinks that they were not properly declared vacant is to approach a court, the Federal High Court.
On the matter of the tenure elongation of the council chairman, Mr. Wori is of the view that the ruling may not directly affect them.
But the law made by Honorable the River State House Assembly, led by Honorable Martin Chike Amewule, that those laws are valid. I had argued that it doesn't amount to tenure elongation.
While the Court of Appeal may have ruled in the case involving Amewule and Okojombo, the intrigues are far from over, even as both sides gear up for their next line of action. Charles Oporum, Channels Television News.